So, you want to be a content creator. Whether you're running a YouTube channel, a blog, a podcast, or managing social media for a business, you know the grind is real. The biggest problem everyone faces is time. There just isn't enough of it. Crafting a high-quality video or a well-researched article takes hours, sometimes days. You have to brainstorm, script, produce, edit, and then promote it. This cycle is relentless. When you're trying to juggle this with other responsibilities, finding the time to consistently put out good work feels almost impossible. It's a huge barrier for anyone trying to get started or scale up. Then there's the issue of consistency. Algorithms on platforms like YouTube and Instagram reward creators who post regularly. If you disappear for a few weeks, your momentum can completely flatline. But staying consistent is tough. You might run out of ideas, or life just gets in the way. This pressure to constantly feed the machine can lead to burnout, fast. You start sacrificing quality for quantity, just to keep up. It becomes a treadmill you can't get off of, and your creative spark can start to fade under the weight of the demanding schedule. It's a common story, and it's one of the main reasons many talented creators quit. On top of all that, the bar for quality keeps getting higher. A few years ago, you could get away with a simple webcam video or a basic blog post. Now, audiences expect polished, well-produced content. They want sharp visuals, clean audio, and insightful, engaging information. If your work doesn't meet this standard, people will just click away. There are millions of other options available to them. This pressure to deliver top-tier quality every single time adds another layer of stress to the entire process. It's not just about making content, it's about making great content consistently. So you're stuck in this loop. You need more time to create high-quality work, but you also need to be consistent to stay relevant. It's a classic catch-22. This is the fundamental challenge that almost every creator, from the biggest names to the newest beginners, has to deal with. It's a demanding job that requires a unique blend of creativity, technical skill, and sheer persistence. The question then becomes, how can you break this cycle? How can you produce better content more often without burning yourself out? It seems like an unsolvable puzzle, but technology might just have an answer. Enter AI. This is where artificial intelligence, or AI, comes into the picture. Now, when people hear AI, they might think of robots taking over the world, but in reality, it's more about smart tools designed to help us work more efficiently. For content creators, AI-powered automation is becoming a game changer. Imagine having a super intelligent assistant that can handle the repetitive, time-consuming parts of your workflow. That's essentially what AI offers. It's a solution that directly tackles the core problems of time, consistency, and the pressure for quality. It's not here to replace creativity, but to enhance it. AI automation works by using complex algorithms to analyze data, recognize patterns, and generate human-like text, images, or even video clips. It can take a simple prompt and expand it into a full article, or suggest a dozen video ideas based on current trends. This frees up creators to focus on what they do best: being creative. Instead of spending hours staring at a blank page trying to come up with a script, you can use an AI to generate a solid first draft. This completely changes the starting point of the creative process, turning a daunting task into a manageable one. This technology is a powerful ally in the fight for consistency. An AI tool can help you build a content calendar filled with relevant topics for months in advance. It can even help you schedule posts across different social media platforms, ensuring you maintain a steady presence online without having to manually upload everything yourself. This level of automation means you can batch your work and plan ahead, breaking the exhausting cycle of last-minute content creation. It provides a safety net, so even during your busiest weeks, your content stream doesn't have to run dry. It's about working smarter, not just harder. Ultimately, AI-powered content automation is about augmenting human talent, not replacing it. It handles the grunt work, allowing creators to pour their energy into refining the final product and connecting with their audience. Think of it as a powerful co-pilot. It can navigate and handle the routine checks, while you, the pilot, focus on flying the plane and getting to your destination. By offloading these tedious tasks, creators can reclaim valuable time, maintain a consistent output, and elevate the overall quality of their work. It's a fundamental shift in the content creation workflow. So, let's get specific. What do these AI tools actually look like? They come in many forms, each designed to tackle a different part of the content creation process. For writing, you have tools like Jasper or Copy.ai. These are generative AI platforms that can write blog posts, ad copy, video scripts, and social media captions based on a few keywords or a short description you provide. You can ask it to write in a specific tone, say, witty or professional, and it will generate a draft in seconds. It's an incredible starting point that can save you hours of writing and brainstorming time. Beyond just writing, there are AI tools built for ideation. Tools like Answer the Public or BuzzSumo use AI to analyze what people are searching for online. They can show you trending topics, popular questions, and what your competitors are talking about. This is like having a direct line to the internet's collective brain. Instead of guessing what your audience wants to see, you can make data-driven decisions. This helps ensure that the content you spend so much time creating is actually something that people are interested in. It takes the guesswork out of being relevant and helps you stay ahead of the curve. Then you have tools that help with the publishing and personalization side of things. Platforms like Later or Buffer use AI to analyze when your audience is most active and suggest the best times to post for maximum engagement. Some tools can even help you repurpose content automatically. For example, an AI could take your long-form YouTube video, transcribe it, pull out the key highlights, and turn them into a series of short-form videos for TikTok or a thread for X. This maximizes the reach of every single piece of content you create with minimal extra effort. And finally, AI is getting really good at visual content. Tools like Midjourney or DALL-E 3 can generate stunning high-quality images from a simple text description. Need a custom thumbnail for your video or a unique graphic for your blog post? You can just describe what you want, and the AI will create it for you. There are even AI video editors that can automatically cut out silences, add subtitles, and find relevant B-roll clips. These tools are democratizing high-quality production, making it accessible to creators who don't have a massive budget or a full production team. To see how this all comes together, let's look at a real-world example. Consider a small marketing team at a tech startup. They were struggling to produce enough blog content to drive traffic to their website. Their team was small, and their writers were stretched thin. They decided to integrate an AI writing assistant into their workflow. Instead of writing every article from scratch, they used the AI to generate detailed outlines and first drafts based on their target keywords. This simple change cut their writing time in half, allowing them to double their blog output from 2 articles a week to 4. But they didn't stop there. They also used an AI tool to analyze their blog's performance and suggest new topics that were likely to rank well on search engines. The result? Within 3 months, their organic website traffic increased by over 70%. The AI didn't replace their writers. Instead, it empowered them to work as editors and strategists, refining the AI-generated drafts and adding their unique human insights. They were able to scale their content strategy and achieve measurable results that would have been impossible with their limited resources before. This is a perfect illustration of AI as an enabler. Looking ahead, the impact of AI on content creation is only going to grow. We'll likely see even more sophisticated tools that can handle more complex creative tasks. Imagine an AI that can generate an entire video, complete with a script, voiceover, and custom visuals, all from a single prompt. While that might sound far-fetched, the pace of development in this space is incredible. The line between human-created and AI-assisted content will continue to blur. For creators, this means that adapting and learning how to leverage these tools will become a crucial skill for staying competitive and relevant. So, can AI really automate your content creation? The answer is yes, to a large extent. It can automate the research, the drafting, the scheduling, and even parts of the production. It's a powerful force that can solve many of the biggest pain points creators face every day. However, it's not a magic button that removes the need for human creativity. The best results will always come from a partnership between human and machine, where AI handles the heavy lifting and the creator provides the final touch of genius, personality, and strategic direction. The future isn't fully automated, but it's certainly augmented.